Welcome to all. Welcome everybody. Today we are going to learn about how to remove a background of a photo. First, you have to open the uh, Photoshop. To open Photoshop, press Windows key plus R and type here. You will get a run window. Type here Photoshop 7.0. Then press OK. Then go to file menu and click open, or you have to press Ctrl O. This is the shortcut key to open a file. Ctrl O. I will select this picture and click open. It is not opening because we are taken it from WhatsApp image. We have taken it from WhatsApp image. So you have to click on the photo and press open with and click on Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Then go to edit picture and click on crop it first. Click on crop and we will remove some of the picture portion. Then click on OK. Then go to file menu, click on export, click on OK. Here it should be JPG format. Click on OK. Click replace file. Then again go to same option, select this one and click on open. Now it opens. Okay, now we'll know how to remove the background. This is called as a lasso lasso tool. Click on it, select polygon lasso tool or click on magnetic lasso tool. First we will select it polygonal lasso tool. Go on clicking on the border of the body. Now today in a internet world, for Photoshop, photo editing, photo mixing, designing, there is a lot of scope. So better you have to learn Photoshop, CorelDRAW, all these softwares. Oh no. Now press Ctrl Z. If it happens like this, press Ctrl Z. Our image is selected. Then go to edit menu, click on copy, or shortcut key is Ctrl C, copy. Then go to file menu and click on new, and here resolution give 300. Then press OK. Then Ctrl V. Okay, then it comes with a background. Okay, now click on background and go to paint bucket tool and click here color, which color you want, blue color, light color. Click on OK and click here. Okay, like that you have to change the background of the picture. Then go here and click on save as button. Then go to here format option, click JPG, click on save, then press OK. Okay, like that your will leave Photoshop related, designing related videos. So please watch, keep watching, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching one and all.